Jira tutorial for beginners, the best project management software. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the platform of Jira and how you can use it for project management, how you can basically organize everything of your business or for your personal requirements. So let's get into this. So this is the main homepage of Jira software, and here you can see that you have a very good preface. You can move fast, stay aligned, and build together better together. The number one software development tool used by agile teams. So you can basically make your softwares by Jira. You can use it for project management. You can create and you can plan everything, and you can basically stay ahead of everything. You have templates that give you a head start. You can customize, you can basically add different kind of things, and you can get all of the features of Jira by just signing in. And you can also basically integrate with other apps like Slack or Trello or Amazon, whatever you want, and you can get the maximum out of your business. So what you can do is you can plan, track, release, report, and automate your business. So you can get started. First of all, you can just going to click on this option which says get it for free, or you can use it in this one here, right here. I'm just going to click on this one, and I'm going to sign in and create an account on Jira software. For that, they are going to ask for my email and my password and a couple of more things. So I'm just going to continue, and I'm going to add everything. So you can see that first I have to choose a plan, select a second product, Confluence or Jira Service Management. I'm just going to select this one. We'll click on next. So you can see that what you can do is basically you can get started with Google, or you can add the email manually. So I'm just going to get started with Google, and then I will show you guys when I get signed in. Okay, so now after signing in, they have asked me to add my site. So I have added my site and storebymn.altasian.net. So this is available. So I'm just going to click on agree, and I'm going to get started with my Jira software plus Jira Service Management. Okay, so now they're basically asking me a couple of questions. What type of teamwork do you work in? Software development, human resource, or what's your role? I'm a development manager, web developer, project manager, and what are your main tasks and everything. So I'm just going to skip this question, and I'm going to continue directly onto the main board of Jira so that I can show you guys how it's done. So I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so now here you can see that help us set up your Jira software. I am new to, and I'm setting up Jira for my business team or my software team, my business team, and my team is new to agile methodologies because I'm new as well. We spend our time working on features, support operations features, you can say, and we have a tight schedule to finish our work. I'm just going to click on next, and these are all the steps that are crucial, and they basically help you to help Jira to get to know you better and to show you the features that you really want for your business. So you can you can either skip them, but I would basically recommend you to fill in these because they're going to help you later on. So the name of the project, let's say test project, I'm going to create right now. This is the first project that you are going to create on Jira. So this is a test project. I'm just going to click on create. Okay, select some tools now, and we'll help you connect them later. I'm just going to skip this step. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of Jira. Here you can see that this is the test project right now. This is the board that I'm going to be having. It is loading right now. The summary, then you have your list, then you have your calendar, your timeline, your forms, your pages, your issues, your reports, shortcuts, and project settings. So these are all the things that you have on your test project number one that you have just created. So your work is going to be here. Like you can just click on that, and you can see all the work that you're going to have, what is assigned to you. If there's a task that you need to done, the recents that you have just visited are going to be here. Your boards are going to be here. You can see that what is happening on your boards, and then you have your queues as well. View, triage, and assign requests with queues. So you are going to get all of things right here. The projects are going to be here. You can create different projects. This is the test project that I have opened right now, and here you can see that you can create a project from this option, a new project, and you can view all the projects from clicking on this option. Then you have some filters. In the filters, you can see search for issues across all projects and save them as filters. Like for example, if there is a bug in some kind of project, you can see add that as a filter, and you can filter all the bugs that you're experiencing in all the projects that you have. If there is a deadline estimated, or if you can set that as a filter, or deadline approaching, you can set that as a filter. And when you are going to add that filter, you are going to get all the deadlines that are approaching in all the projects that you have. So it is going to make everything so easy for you, and also you can make it you can basically take a quick look on everything in just snap of fingers. Then you have your dashboards right here. You can have different dashboards for different things. Like you can view all the dashboards, give your dashboard to track the status of your projects. Like for example, if you have a big business and if you have different kind of departments, like there's an HR department, there's a designing department, there's a planning department, there's a marketing department. So you can create different dashboards for all of these departments, and then you can add different kind of projects into these different dashboards. So it is going to organize everything for you very easily when you are switching from, if you want to see what's happening in the marketing team, you can just switch to the dashboard of the marketing team and you can see all the projects that they're working on. If you want to see the other, you can just go on to that. So it is going to make everything so easy for you. Then you have your people. You can add the contacts. You can invite your people to Jira. You can create a team from this option. And then from here, you have your apps. You can have Circle, X-Ray, Zfire Squad, and other apps that you can integrate into Jira as well. So let me show you what you can do with this test project that you have just created. So here's a quick start. You can basically dismiss the quick start, view dates and calendar, plan ahead with time, collect information from your team with forms, personalize your project and find help. And I'm just going to dismiss the quick start and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is a board. So in the boards, what you can do is you can create different kind of tasks. This is a to-do board. So I'm just going to create a task right here. Like for example, this needs to be done. The video has to be uploaded. This is the task that I have. The video has to be uploaded. Okay, so this is the task that I've just created. Now what I can do is basically click on this manage types. Okay, so a small distinct piece of work. Okay, so here you can see that summary and description fields. You can add these into your task. You can have the summary of the task, and then you can have a description field of the task. Then you have your context. You can have a status of the task. Then you have your assignee. If you want to Jira create this field, you can edit its name. Okay, so you can have assignee, reporter, priority labels, due date, time tracking. So you have all of these things you can integrate into this task. The fields, you can also create a field. You can add a short text, paragraph, date, labels, and people, etc. You can also create a field if you want to. So when you are basically continue with the changes, you can just go back and you can continue with managing the task. You can also change the issue icon. For example, this one, I want to use this one. I'm going to select because the task issue icon has been changed. So I'm just going to issue types. This is test project. I'm going to project settings. I'm just going to save changes, go back. Okay, so the task has been uploaded right here. Okay, so now you have a couple of options. Like this is the to-do list, this is the task that you have created. Now if this task is in progress, you can just drag it and drop it right here. This will let you know that this task is in progress. Then if it is stuck, if it's not being worked on, then you can place it right here. It will be in this list, and every task that has been done will come into this list. You can just drag it and drop it into the done portion, and whenever you can just go on and look at it and you'll know what tasks has been done. Then you have a list. You can create different types of list in the project management as well, and you can add members as well. This is a type. You just click on this create, and this you can add a task, type of the list. Then you have your key number, your summary, the status category, and you can also add other elements into your list as well, like status category, assignee, as etc. Then this is your calendar. Your calendar is going to incorporate all of the deadlines, all of the due dates that you have. You can see that this is a March calendar, this is a today calendar, unscheduled filters. These are all the options for the calendar that you have. Then you have your timeline. Your timeline will also be something as a calendar, and it will incorporate all of the things that have to be done in the March, all the things that have to be done in the April time period. You can see the quarters, you can see the timeline by weeks, and you can see the timeline by months as well. Then you have your forms. If you want to collect any information from your people, you can just create a form for yourself. It is very easy. You can just click on this option and you can create the form. For the form formation, you just have to add in a couple of things like due date, labels, priority, start date, description, attachment, summary. These are all the options that you can add. These are all the fields that you can add into your form. Then you have your pages. You can create different kind of pages with your this, like you can have a blank page, start from a blank start. You can have product requirements, design decisions, meeting notes, retrospective. You can add all the meeting notes and the form of pages into the project that the meeting notes are associated to. This will allow all of the people that are added into the project to view the meeting notes and to learn if they want to get something out of it. Then if all the things that are basically issuesome in your project are going to be here, and you can basically take a look and work on them separately in these option. All the issues, that all the stuck tasks, all the things that are not being worked on are going to be here. Then you have your reports, you have your analysis tools right here. You can see but how you can have a pie chart report, you can have created versus resolved issues report, average age report. You're going to have all these kind of reports right here. So let me show you a little bit of Jira pricing plans. Here you can see there is a first plan that is available for free, and you can use it up to 10 users can use it, unlimited project boards, and 2 GB storage. The standard plan is for $7.75, and you up to 35,000 users can use it. Audit logs and 250 GB of storage is available. In the premium plan, which is for $15.25 per month, it has advanced roadmaps, has 24/7 premium support, and it has everything in the standard and plus all of these features. And there is an enterprise plan as well, which is basically billed annually, and you can contact the sales for the price of the enterprise plan, and it completely depends about the size of your enterprise. It has unlimited sites, it has centralized security, 24/7 enterprise support, and everything from the premium and plus all of these features. So if you want to compare the features, you can come here and you can see all of these features, and you can have a comparison of which plan you're going to choose depending upon your needs. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Software is Made Easy. Thank you.